What's up, guys? Back with another Twinmotion tutorial. I'm going to show you a quick update that Twinmotion in 2025.2 has added, and I think that is definitely a game changer. Definitely another way to enhance your rendering. So stick around for that, and this is going to be a quick one, but I guarantee you're going to like the results that you'll get with your next rendering. All right, so let's get right to it. Okay, so in Twinmotion 2025.2, Twinmotion has added a new tab called LUTs, and I really like the fact that they added this new feature to their update. I think that it's a game changer, and it's a subtle change, but I think that it actually helps you explore a little bit more with your renderings, the color grading, filters, and add that extra character that you may be looking for in your rendering. So you can find it under FX here, and originally we have it at standard, but if you go to lookup table here and click on none, you actually see our original filter presets that was in our older versions of Twinmotion. So remember before that I would usually just kind of go through the different filter types and try to figure out what looks very good for this particular rendering, and we can kind of see exactly a lot of our options, which work pretty well for us. But now with the new LUTs feature, you can actually go to custom, and you can actually add your own custom LUTs. And you're probably wondering where do I get my custom LUTs from? You know, what type of file would I need for that? So I'm going to go to a website, and I think that this was a pretty cool website that I Googled. I found it, and I want to bring it to your attention. So we're gonna go to, you can put in Studio 2A and find it, or you can Google and put ArcViz LUTs. And I found this pretty cool website that says 3D resource files, color grading LUTs for architecture renderings. So if you want to get like a cinematic film look in your architectural renderings, they have LUT files or lookup tables, or files that apply a preset color transform to RGB values at the pixel level. So this is the best way to color transform your image. LUTs can quickly apply complex color grades so your images that can copy the look of high-end film production. So I thought that this was pretty cool. I just wanted to bring it to your attention that this is something that is out there that you can actually add to your Twinmotion renderings now. So here where it says free LUTs for architectural renderings, you can actually download this and you'll get a set of free LUTs. So go to Rocket Stock, and you just scroll down here and you can download the free LUTs here. So once you click download, it's going to add that to your downloads here, and then you should be able to apply them right away. So that was just kind of quickly showing you where I got it from, but you can actually go to open, and right here we have a set of LUTs here. So we'll just pick one. Blue architecture, you got blue hour, cold chrome, crisp autumn, dark sober, hard boost, long beach morning, lush green, magic hour. So you have a lot of variety of different options here. And as you can see, it has to be a cube file. So make sure that you, when you download, that you see cube file here. So I believe for this particular rendering, I used, I want to say I used a natural boost cube. I'm saying open. And let's see if we see any adjustments here. So it looks like it's on. So we increase the intensity, you can kind of see that effect. So right now I have that natural Yep, it's in there. So I have natural boost cube, or just natural boost cube is the actual file type. So you can do intensity, and we could just increase our intensity. So that just gave us a pretty cool update with Twinmotion, and I think that it really brought out my 3D rendering and enhanced the look and the production of it using this new feature. So guys, check it out. Don't forget to smash that like button for me, hit the notification bell. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and we'll be back with another one.